Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I created my Vlogtober t-shirts. Let's get started. So besties, first I opened the Funto app so that I could create the text for my t-shirts. After I designed my t-shirts, I saved the image as a PNG. And next we're going to open the Cricut app, upload the image that we just saved from Funto, remove all of the background spaces, and save the image. Now I'm going to resize the Vlogtober to 7 inches, and I'm going to duplicate it because I'm going to do 2 separate t-shirts. Now I'm going to move the Vlogtober on the mat exactly where I have my iron on and mirror my image. And for our Vlogtober t-shirts, we will be using these t-shirts. This one came from Shein, this one came from Shein, and this one is from Walmart. And we're going to use this holographic vinyl because I really need to get rid of it. But yeah. Okay, and so for the holographic iron, I'm going to use the strong grip mat. And remember to turn it over, the shiny part face down. So we cut out our Vlogtober decals. Now let's weed them and put them on the shirts. So I definitely weeded the first one off camera because, as you know, if you watch my previous videos, me and this holographic vinyl do not go together. I don't know what I'm doing wrong or if it's just the vinyl. I don't know, but like I said in the beginning, I need to get rid of it. So I had a tough time. You'll see me poking and cutting, but it definitely does not weed like regular vinyl. I am going to try the Cricut iron-on holographic vinyl and see would I have a much better try with that. So y'all, it officially took me 2 hours to cut and weed out both of these. And I just think that's unnecessary. You know, like, what's the point of having the Cricut cutter if you got to do all this? It makes no sense. I know it's this vinyl. Ugh, why did I buy it? I don't know. But it's so pretty. I promise it's so pretty. Ugh, I don't know. So now I got my t-shirts, my weeded out vinyl, and I'm about to grab my mini iron. So out of all of that weeding and pain, y'all will not believe what happened to me. Oh, I burnt that. You burnt it. Oh, It's okay sometimes to just give it a rest. But you know what? This always happens. You plan to do something, and then stuff just start going bad. You cannot allow it to take you over. Like, even if it go bad, oh, what's wrong with posting your fails? I know I ain't do all this for them. Man, come on. I scorched that the other. Look at the little bubbles. Yep, I scorched that first one. So let's see what happens with this second one. I'm telling y'all, child. Vlogtober. And here are our Vlogtober t-shirts. I'm so excited. Can't wait to wear them. Thanks for watching. And always remember to stay ambitious.